Have you ever wondered why Chanel sunglasses feature those distinctive padded arms? It's not just a style choice, it's a deliberate extension of the brand's iconic leather craftsmanship into eyewear, creating a unique structural signature. The quilted pattern is the most recognizable symbol of the Chanel house, originally developed for handbags by Coco Chanel herself to protect leather and add elegance. This design language has evolved to cover shoes, accessories, and now, notably, sunglasses frames. When applied to sunglasses, the quilting on the arms serves a functional purpose beyond aesthetics. The padded structure provides extra comfort and grip against the ear, while the gradient tints often paired with these frames offer superior protection from sunlight glare. These pieces are crafted with precision, often featuring rose gold or gold trim accents that contrast beautifully with the black quilted bars. The construction usually includes a prominent Chanel CC logo placed directly at the earpiece to reinforce brand identity. Unlike standard metal frames, the quilted arms represent a fusion of fashion, history, and functional comfort. They are made in Italy to strict standards, ensuring that the stitching remains flawless and the mint condition quality is maintained over time. This design choice elevates sunglasses from mere eyewear to a statement accessory that bridges the gap between high fashion and daily utility. The quilted arms ensure the glasses sit perfectly on the face without sliding down during wear. Ultimately, the quilted arms are a testament to how a single design element can define an entire brand's legacy across decades. They transform simple eyewear into a wearable piece of art that honors the original handbag innovations. The quilted arms prove that luxury lies in the details we often overlook. What is your favorite Chanel style? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more deep dives into fashion history.